A very good day to all of you. In the term Internet Basics, today we discuss domain name system. Domain name system is a system that translate or convert the domain name into IP address. Domain name into IP address. So here we discuss what is domain name. Domain name is text-based identification of server, from which we have to identify that server uniquely, and domain name system convert these into IP address for that special server. In other sense, we say that domain name is such a naming system by which server are identified uniquely. It have two or more part. दैट मीन्स हम सिंपली कह सकते हैं कि डोमेन नेम सिस्टम एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जो हमारे जो डोमेन सर्वर के जो डोमेन नेम है जो टेक्स्ट बेस होते हैं दैट इज़ कैरेक्टर ओनली एंड दे कन्वर्ट इनटू आईपी एड्रेस, और जो हमारे डोमेन नेम सिस्टम्स है दैट आर सेपरेट बाय डॉट एंड देयर विल टू और मोर टर्म. जस्ट लाइक एग्जाम्पल google.com या कह सकते हैं yahoo.com, sbb.surajkund.com, upsc.government.in. So here we see that this is a separate by dot, and this term .com, .government.in, these are called domain name because this identify that server uniquely. This is the identification of that server and it is separate by a dot. And here are one we previously discussed that domain name system have two or more part that is separate by dot. और इस तरह से हम इस पूरे सर्वर को हम आइडेंटिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं उसके डोमेन नेम से. तो दैट सिस्टम दैट आइडेंटिफाई दैट डोमेन नेम एज आईपी एड्रेस दैट इज डोमेन नेम सिस्टम. तो इस तरह से हम देख रहे हैं, ऐसे हम कई चीज़ें जो in previous I gave notes of domain name system, and in that we see that upsc.government.in, that means कि this is a governmental site, and .in that means it is lie only India. Just like this there is info, edu, cbsc.nic.in, mil is for military, org for organization purpose, and just like we use .in for any country, for Australia we use AU, for France FR, United Kingdom UK, and these are some domain name that identify that server uniquely. So domain name is very important for identification of the server, and that is converted into IP address by domain name system.